Let's take a look at the construction progress in Aeronautica Landing. Pavers have been put in and landscaping has begun. The Aeronautica Landing ID sign has been installed, along with runway directional signs and the hover and dodge sign. Gearspin has received additional theming elements, including test fuel and a sign that designates Gearspin as a flight training station. The Aeronautica Landing game zone is coming along, boasting siding and a hand-painted sign. The Airwalker has received beach-inspired theming elements, including sand and fencing. Air Racers now has a queue. Gyroforce has a queue, signage, and theming. The shade structure has come along nicely. You can see here that they've begun to lay turf. Terminal A has transformed over the last couple of days, and the brick siding adds a nice touch to the exterior. Aeronautica Landing will be coming to you soon on April 7th.